Static method, referenced variable class. Non-static method, searched in referenced variable class. Super. All four are searched in referenced variable class. Next tell me. Static variable accessed and read its value from reference variable. Non-static variable read and accessed and read its value from referenced variable class. Static method accessed and executed from reference variable class. Non-static method accessed and executed from current object class, not object class, current object class. Next point. If I access the methods, I access variable or method by using super class type referenced variable. Method is available in subclass, not available in super class. What happened? Compile time error. Okay. Fine. Next. Can I hide variable, super class variable, subclass variable as I like? Yes. Are there any rules we need to follow? No rules. No need to follow any rules. I can implement as I like. Point number 2. Is it possible to override or hide a method as I like? No. We have to follow 4 rules. Rule number 1. Return type must be same or covariant. Rule number 2. Static must not be add or remove. If super class method is static, subclass method also must be. Super class is non-static, subclass also must be non-static. Next. Rule number 3. How many accessibility modifiers we have? 4 accessibility modifiers we have. What are they? Private. Tell me, what is the least accessibility modifier? Least access, private. It's next, default. It's next, and it's next. What the highest accessible? Public. Now, accessibility modifier in subclass, can I decrease? No. Can I increase? Yes. Increase means which side to which side? Private to public. For example, the method in super class is private. Then in subclass, method in super class is private. Then the method in super class is private. Then can I override that method in subclass? No, na. And the private to default protected and least both. The method in super class is default. Then we can override. How? We can override with a default or can change it to protected and public. Super class method is protected method. Then in subclass we have only protected or public. Super class method is public. Then in subclass only public. You cannot change. Understood? Tomorrow class will be only online because outside heavy rain. Next coming 2-3 days also heavy rain will be there. Saturday no students. Look back. In the Sunday I will be there. Admin only will be there. Okay. So tomorrow class will be only online. I will share the link in Google Classroom at night. Okay. Actually 2 o'clock advanced Java batch I have to complete. Okay, na? So afternoon I will take decision whether I can take class for you tomorrow or not. Clear? Because first I have to close advanced Java batch, 2 o'clock batch, because today is the last day for them. Still I need some 2-3 days extra because of last week holidays. Okay. So tomorrow, if I cannot take a class, I will give you self-working assignment. Tomorrow's class is there. Either I am taking live class or you are study self, that will be decided. Is it clear? Don't give appointments tomorrow to anyone. Tomorrow is busy with the Java. Okay. So today night after 2 o'clock class completed, I will decide whether I'll take 2 o'clock batch long session or decide, I mean, distribute the time to all the batches, so I'll take the decision. Clear? Tomorrow class will be only online, either by Hare Krishna physical or Hare Krishna virtual. Okay, but Hare Krishna will come, but how he will come, tomorrow I will decide. Let's proceed. Tell me now. Today we are, okay, accessibility modifier understood now? Now, today we are trying to understand the next very important topic, method overloading. What is the topic? Method overloading. Now tell me, what is overloading? I am not asking in Java, I am asking in general, what is overloading? Many times you have used this word overloaded, mama, overloaded, right? Especially in education, it is overloaded. Correct? If classes are happening long time, then overloaded, heat generated. Okay? Overdose. Overdose, falling down, right? Over means what? More than different things you are doing a same thing. Same thing again and again over. More than your limitation you are doing, then we call it as what? Over. Overriding means not doing same thing again and again, changing. Available, not liking, changing. Okay, bearer is given one mix, you didn't like, you are doing your own mix. That is called what? Overriding. One peg completed, second peg, third peg, fourth peg, bearer saying, Babu, overloading, right? Extra, you are taking extra, more than your capacity you are taking, then what we call it as overloaded. Similarly, in Java, we also have a concept called what? Overloaded. What you overload? Method. Variable you cannot overload, only method you can overload. What is the meaning of overloading? Same method, I mean, same operation we are performing for a different type of values. For example, I am adding two integers. Can this method can add two floating point numbers? No. Can the same method can add two strings? No. Can the same method can add two characters? No. I want add two integers, three integers, four integers. Can single method can take work with a different list of values? No. I want to perform an operation called add by taking different type of values for a different list of values, different order of values. What is the order? First, I want to take values into floater, or also I want to take a floater int. Then single method can take any order? No. Then tell me, I want to perform same operation for a different type of values, different list of values. Then how many methods I have to create here? Multiple methods. I have to create multiple methods. Then creating multiple methods, creating and defining. Defining multiple methods, same operation ante different name or same name? Same name. Defining multiple methods with the same name with a different parameter type or list or order. Different parameter type or list or order is called method overloading. So repeat again, what is method overloading? Defining multiple methods with the same name but different parameters type or list or order is called what? When I am saying this sentence or definition, are you able to visualize the code? Already I explained code first. What? Add int comma int. It can take two integers and can add two integers. Now I want to add two floats. Then new method you should create, add with float comma float. Now first add method to second add method, same name, different parameter type. Right? Next, add of int a comma int b comma int c. Same name, different what? How different parameter? Type different or list different? List different. Add int comma float, add float comma int. order different. Same name, different order. Repeat again. While you are telling the definition, you should visualize the code. Defining multiple methods. Open bracket, closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket. With the same name, add, with the different parameters type. Int in, float in, list, int comma, int, different order, int comma float, float comma int is called method overload. Okay, na? Point clear? Right. Completed on? Now tell me. Where can we overload a method? Can I overload method in the same class? In the subclass? No? Yeah, what the problem? What is the problem if I overload method in the subclass? First, visualize the code, then tell me. Can I overload super class method in a subclass? I'm creating class called XYZ extends addition. There I am writing add with double comma double. Any problem? Come on, confirm how much time you will take. Respond fast. Problem or no problem? Problem? Problem or no problem? No problem means can I overload or cannot overload? Arey, come on, yeah. Why doubtful? Same class లోనే overload చేస్తే sub class చేయడానికి ఏం రోగం ఏం problem? You are able to overload method in the same class, then what the problem in subclass? Don't think Java in Java, think Java in your real life point of view. Your father has one business. Can you do the same business with a different name? With a different parameters? Different parameters, and maybe you are giving some discount more. Okay, or some other benefits, buy one get one free, maybe you are adding. Same business with the different parameters. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Can I override method in the same class? Override means signature should be. Can I create two methods with the same signature in the same class? No. Now what is the point? We can overload a method in the same class or also in subclass, but we cannot hide or override a method in the same class. We can hide or override method only in. Write on that point. Write this question. Where can we overload method? Continuation, right? I don't have space, so I have written there. You write continuation question after the program and answer. Completed? Okay. Now I understood what is method overloading, where I can overload method. So overriding means compulsory super class subclass must be there. Overloading purpose subclass is not required. Same class can provide multiple options of performing the same operation. Okay. Now Let me try to understand. When should we overload a method? Already told you. You want to perform same operation for a different type of values or list of values or order of values, then we should overload method. Right on that. You understood is different, reproducing is different. If you write these points, then only you can reproduce these points to the interview. I know you are very busy at home. Completed? Huh? Okay. Now I have overload method. Are they automatically executed or we must call? We must call. When we call the method, any confusion to compiler? Any confusion to JVM? Then which method executed? When you call method add, when you call method add, how many? What do you call? There are three methods available. Will compiler confuse or not? Then tell me, how can we overcome this problem? By parameters. Excellent. By parameters or by arguments? Parameter means int A, int B. Calling time parameter will not be there. Who will be there? Argument. Now, what is the execution flow of overloaded method? On what basis overloaded method execution is resolved? That means, on what basis method hidden method execution is resolved? Referenced variable type. On what basis overridden method execution is resolved? Current object execution, right? Static method executed from referenced variable class. Non-static method executed from current object class. Like that. On what basis overloaded method execution is resolved? Based on the argument type. For example, I am taking these three methods, and in main method, if I write add, compiler will confuse. But what you are writing? Add of 5 comma 6. 5 comma 6 what type? Int type. Int comma int, which parameter method executed? Next 5f 6f float. Next double quotes h double quote h. Okay, clear? Right. Take the class name as add. Don't take addition. Completed? Moving on. Okay, let me compile and execute this program in system. Look at this code. Look at this code. Class addition, void add, system dot outer println, add, no parameter. This is add, one int parameter. This is add, double one parameter. Now tell me, it's what you have to see. You must see only method name and parameters. Look at the return type I am taking different. Here void, here int. Allowed? Here I am taking static, here I am taking non-static. Allowed? Allowed. Overloading means what is definition? Same name, different parameters. That's it. Other parts, overriding rules, 4 rules, no need to follow here. It can be same return type or a different return type, same static, same non-static, same static, static, non-static, non-static, private to increase, private to decrease. Anything is okay. Only consider signature. Remaining parts, none of your business. Tell me now. I have overload method. These two are what? Type different. These two are what? Come on, fast, respond. These two methods what? Type different. These two. Order. Why you are seeing the entire method? I didn't understand. What you have to focus, my dear Arjuna? Ore Arjuna. Why you are seeing static void system dot out dot println? Why you are seeing? Only see signature. Bird eye only. Don't see entire bird for eating. Only bird eye. I ask you shoot bird eye. Only look at the bird eye. What do you have to see? Method name, parameter. Method name, parameter. These are type different parameters. Now add int, add int. These are list different. Sir, parameter name same. So what? What do you have to see the difference? Parameter type. No need to consider parameter name same or different. Okay. Now this is order different. Bolo. Now, if I overload the methods like this, when you wanted to execute them, I have to call. How to call? Create object of this class, then a dot add. Which parameter constructor you are calling? No argument. So which one executed? No parameter. Here, one argument int. Here, two arguments int int. This is three arguments. Three arguments int int. What about this? 5 comma 6f. What is executed? Int comma float. Int comma float execute. Any confusion? Everyone understood? Control 1. Control. No param, 1 param, 2 param, 3 param, int comma float param. No confusion to compiler, no confusion to JVM. I hope you also don't have confusion. Clearer? Next point. Tell me, what is the problem if I don't overload? If I take the methods with a different name, what is the problem? Add 1, add 2. If I write like this, add 1, add 2, add 3 like this. Any problem or no problem? Compiler point of view, no problem. JVM point of view, no problem. Currently, we are discussing programming principles. Object-oriented programming principles. Principles means rules or suggestions. Suggestions. What suggesting? Method overloading. What suggesting? Array, whenever you wanted to provide multiple methods, what you do? You must whenever you wanted to provide multiple methods to perform the same operation, create all methods with the same name. If I take a different name, what is the problem? Who will face problem? For example, I am taking subtracting 2 ints, subtracting 2 doubles. I am taking method name as sub ints, sub doubles. Then any compile time error? No. Any runtime error? No. Then suggestions means not based on compile time error, not based on runtime errors, based on the design. If I create, I am a builder, I am constructing the house as per my wish, then who will face the problem? Builder face problem, the user of the building face the problem. If I create the methods with say different names, who will face the problem? The class developer or the class user? If you want to call method, how many methods you have to remember? You want to call methods or not? Look at the program and tell me how many methods you must remember. 1 or 2 na? 2 methods you have to remember. What the name of the methods? Sub ints, sub doubles. In this add program, how many methods you have to remember? 1. What is the name of the add? Only one method add and trying to do experiments passing different type of values accepted or not accepted. Are you following? So tell me, what is a good idea? Overloading or without overloading? Overloading give benefits to whom? User programmer, the method caller. User programmer, method caller will get the advantage. You no need to remember multiple method names. Next. Continuation. Why should I overload a method? Simply let us write. Wait. It gives multiple method names. ఈ program right. Write that program. Write program, then you will get clarity. So if you take extra into flow to string, it is a confusion to user programmer. He must remember so many method names. So anything you are doing is the benefit to the user programmer. Final conclusion. Tell me one person trying to manufacture a bike. He will see the comfort of himself or comfort of the user. Comfort of the user. Now I am teaching Java. I will see the comfort of myself or user comfort. User. If user not comfortable in understanding my concept, my examples, then it's waste. I alone will be there in the classroom, right? So very important point. Anywhere in the real life or in the programming life, when you are designing a software, that should be user friendly. Do you remember Nokia and Samsung companies? Nokia was the first company introduced mobiles, smart mobiles, ruled like anything in my childhood. Suddenly Samsung company entered into market. Nokia company closed. Why? I'm not promoting Samsung Ray. I'm not the sales manager of Samsung, okay? Just I am telling. Nokia company mobile, if you want to use, missed calls, one button. Dialed calls, another button. What do you call, received calls, another button. Many different places I have to move. If Samsung, all will be given a single screen with a tick mark or the outer arrow, inside arrow, what do you call, missed call arrow. So I can see everything in a single place. Next, look and feel. Nokia mobile, how much strong, no? How much thickness, no? I can murder one person by using Nokia mobile. Okay. And moreover in the hand also, that's this much solid. It's okay, but no, not looking good. People has found, Samsung company found that problem and is released what? Sleek, nice look and feel, what do you call, mobile design has released. So slowly what happened? Samsung started attracting what? User. Then users are shifted from Nokia to Samsung. Nokia company closed. And third problem, outer design, not only that, inside software. Nokia choose Windows as operating system and Samsung choose Android as a operating system. That is the biggest problem of Nokia. Wrong decision of the Nokia. One wrong decision will collapse the entire empire of the business. So that's why in future also, in your life also, every decision take wisely. 2 to 3 times you think, okay? And never ever you take decision by others people force. ఆడు చెప్పాడు చేద్దాం అంటే చచ్చింది గొర్రె. Every person has their own unique mindset, unique way of handling the things. For example, government is there now. Narendra Modi is there in the central. His way of handling the things is different from Congress government. So Congress government is having one kind of policy, Modi is having another kind of policy. BJP means, Modi means BJP. Now, so everything, you know, every government is having their own type of policy based on the head of the government. So similarly, now for example, you take me, my way of teaching is different. The same content, other faculty way of teaching is different. So I always focus on basics, and from the basics roots, I will start injecting the advanced topic. Other faculties may be thinking, basics all wasting your time. Let me directly inject advanced concepts. So there is a difference, okay? Person to person, there is a difference in the handling the things. That's why never ever you take the decision by other people force. First, your mind and your eyes should have clear visualization on what you are doing. Okay, that's why yesterday I told you, నువ్వు చేసే పని మీద నీకు అవగాహన ఉండాలి. వాడు చెప్పాడని చేస్తే దూకితే చచ్చిపోతావు. ఆ దూకితే కాళ్ళు ఇరిగితే ఫస్ట్ చూసుకోవాలి. దూకిన తర్వాత కాళ్ళు ఒకళ్ళు ఇరిగినా కానీ బతికుంటాం అంటే ఇది ఒకళ్ళు దొక్కకూడదు. Okay, for example, I'll tell you, recently happened incident. When I was coming to the last Monday, when I was coming to Hyderabad, generally, even though heavy rain is there, I don't care. Midnight also, I don't care. I will go. But last week, Monday rain, by seeing that, I started getting tension. I called to many people. Here, so much rain is there. Nothing happened. You go. But my eyes are not giving clear visualization on the road because there are so many downs, ups are there. Next, where the heavy rainfall is there are so many up and downs are there. So if already water completely accumulated there, car if you go inside, it will be struck there. Next, what to do? Next, from how this will be flow also, from high to low, water flow is very fast will come. If a car go out that side. So then already I traveled 4 hours from my hometown. Next more 4 hours Hyderabad. I am exactly the middle point of my journey. What to do now? Then I decided, okay, let me go back near Safe Lodge. Okay, then I went there and I have seen lodge is neat, good, but only me, my family only there. That is a very newly constructed lodge, and moreover, that is a many highway road, na? Nobody there. Then I felt not safe, the comeback. Then little bit more distance I went. Then finally I decided, let me travel back to home. One day holiday, my students will accept, management will accept. Okay, no problem. One day, no problem. Okay, then maybe 5,000 petrol waste, but safe na. People are saying nothing happened, bro. Go. I called to my friends Hyderabad. Hey, Hyderabad rain is there. No, mama, fully neatly clean. Weather is neat. Okay, in Hyderabad it is neat, but how to cross this hurdle? Then I took my decision. I went back to home, and all my parents look at me and smile. Okay, again, you come back now. Okay, no problem. One day you are staying, we'll be happy, no problem. So you take your own decision, either in good times or bad times. Just blindly don't follow others. So that's what I'm saying. Okay, if you take blindly others people's decision, you will be in the trouble. No one will come in your trouble. Another big mistake I did recently in stock market. There is a one stock. I know it is company is good. I invested. Suddenly 20% up locked. Upside lock 20%. Then more 20%, it may go. I know. I can clearly visualize. But still I have a doubt. Then I called many people. Everybody saying, good profit now, maybe you can sell. Maybe you can sell. I also in a doubt now, should I go now, should not. My mind is saying, don't sell. But other people are influenced to sell. I sold. Now it went to 40% more. Okay. And per lakh, how much money I lost? 40,000. Understand? So just mother overloading is saying what? Think from the user point of view, not from your own point of view. And also remember, you take your own decision. But I was not regretted. That 40,000 loss, I didn't regret, because I was also feeling to sell. Because, maybe I have seen all my analysis, maybe it will come down unnecessarily, that 20% profit I may miss. Na? That's why blindly I sold. But later, little bit, little sad will be there. No? Okay. Then come back. What's the point now? Why should I overload method? Why can't I choose different name? If I choose different name, user programmer will face the difficulty to understand. Let us apply this knowledge to the real life. In real life, we have an operation. In real life, we have an operation, bank operation, deposit. All people are doing now online transactions, na? Online payment. When I go Amazon, want to do online payment, then tell me, how many ways we can do online payment? Only one way. When I go payment, when I click on payment button, pay, what are the different options available? Net banking. Net banking was the old. Now first option is what? UPI. UPI is the easy now. UPI. Next, net banking. Next, debit card, credit card, RuPay credit card, something. Right? There are different. Pay later. Pay later, something is. Buy now, pay later. That is most dangerous. Pay later is the most danger. Your credit score will be damaged like anything. And next, pay later is a kind of taking loan. Do you know that? Pay later is you are taking loan from that app. And there is a limitation. Within this particular time, you have to pay. If you don't pay, not only you are paying the interest, also your credit score will be damaged. Be careful. Pay later option if you choose, quickly pay within the limit time. Okay, fine. So now tell me, pay in bracket. What is the option? UPI. Pay method with what? Net banking. Pay method with what? Debit card. Pay back credit card. Pay later. So tell me, now these are the many options available. Are all these options handled by single method or different method? Different. Single method. Single method or different methods? Different methods. But the name is what? Same. Now, for example, you go to bank. There is an operation called what? Deposit. It's a old example, so same material. Deposit cash in the bank account in different forms. When you go to bank, there are different counters are there. Pay by, deposit cash, one counter. Deposit check, another counter. Deposit DD. When you wanted to pay your college fee or exam fee, DD you are taking, pay deposit DD, another place. Deposit online transfer, another way. Debit card, credit card, different ways. So tell me, which operation you are performing? Same operation, deposit. But how many different ways? Okay, different options are available. Then single method can handle all these options? No. There is a multiple methods with the same name, deposit. This is real world example. And tell me, for last 45 days, daily you are using one method. What is that? Last 45 days, daily one method you are using. What is that? Huh? Main method. Warning. I am asking using, not creating, using, accessing. Daily you are using one method. Main method you are not using, you are creating. Println methods. Yes or no? System.out.printer, system.out.println. Tell me, println methods are, okay, print, drop, println. Is println is a single one method or multiple methods? Multiple methods. Tell me, single method or multiple methods? Single method. Arey, first you decide, don't tell answer just like that. First you think yourself. Println. What you are saying? Current topic is what? Overloading. Overloading means what? Multiple methods with the same name with the different parameters. Okay. Now tell me, overloaded method. Println. I am calling method by passing 10 accepted. By passing 10.5 accepted. 10 into 10.5 W. Is single parameter method, how can you take two values? Okay, character accepted, boolean accepted, string accepted, array object accepted, my own class object accepted. Oh, println is not a Amma, this fellow cheating me from the day beginning. Daily you are calling one method just by passing whatever the value you like. Was it accepted or not? Yes. Then what is your feeling for last 45 days? You are learning only one method. You are using only one method. Was it really one method? No. It is a multiple methods. Java API level example, println of XXX value is a overloaded method. Totally how many println methods available? No. 10 overloaded methods we have. Println, no parameter. Println, byte not there, directly int I guess. Println, no parameter, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, string, char array, and to take remaining any type of array, any type of class object, we have only one parameter method. What is that? Come on, inheritance chapter. Object. Who is the superclass of all classes? Object. I am releasing daily one reel in our YouTube channel, Instagram. Are you following? No? Don't follow. If you follow, you'll get knowledge, no? Follow those reels. Those reels I am preparing for your purpose, not for my purpose. Huh? No? I can shout. Short. Short. I prepared shorts only, okay? Shorts reels only preparing, only 2 minutes. Asla I am beating my head like anything. 1 or 2 minutes reel to prepare, I'm taking 1 hour. Why? What I should explain should come within the 2 minutes, na? For that I have to prepare the script. I have to carefully use my words. Extra one word going, khatam. Extension is going. Again delete, again recreate. Sachipothunanu mee kosam. Kon choose nechkontaru, okay? Please watch those videos and learn. Very important topics I am covering. ఏమైడి ఎక్కడుండి ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు అర్థమవుతుంది వేర్ యు ఆర్ అండ్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ You are in the shelter of Naresh IT and you are asking what is the ID. Naresh IT. I am belongs to Naresh IT, okay? So anything coming from me will be available only in Naresh IT channel, okay? Go to YouTube or go to Google and try what? Naresh IT will open and there all the reels available, go and watch. And also, our next, my colleague Kishans are also preparing some videos, are preparing very high-end videos. You can also watch them. Okay, na? So how WhatsApp will work, how Instagram will work, how that will work, this will work in Java small code is explaining. You can also, if you can understand that much heavy code, you can also enjoy that. Don't feel that understand, not understand. Watch. Free kada. Watch it, observe it, so that the terminology, the vocabulary, the words will be come to your ear. You will be there in the brain. When you go to interview or when you are working in the company, what I am teaching, what sir is teaching, pakka definitely will be there in your next life. That time these words will not trouble you. Understand, not understand, secondary. Watching is first primary. And next, we are not preparing 2 hours, 3 hours video. Only 1 minute, 2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Watch, please. And next, remember, we are asking you watch the videos, not for views purpose. Okay, na? We are institute. We are not YouTube channel. Yes or no? Naresh IT is an institute. Naresh IT is not a YouTube channel institute. YouTube channel institute will require the views and subscriptions and all for their survival. But we are the live faculty institute. So మీరు వాచ్ చేసినా చేయకపోయినా పెద్ద ట్రబుల్ ఉండదు మాకు. Whether you watch or not watch the reels, there is no much difference. We'll get our students. But only the problem is what? You will not get the points, okay? You will get an idea. So that's why please try to watch those reels daily. Daily one reel will come. Subscribed already? Yes, sir. Notification, bell icon, click. Okay? All button will be there. This side caps will be there, right? Click that so that you will get notification immediately. You know, every day for my reel, I'm the first person viewer. Understand? Because once the reel is coming, I'll get a notification. As what edit chase, how he is edited and how he uploaded, how he look like. I used to first watch. Okay, everything is good. Go on. Okay, right. I will share all the links to you in your free time. You please try to watch them. I'll ask the admin to prepare one a playlist, and playlist link I will share, and just go through all the reels in your free time. And also I am planning, if time permits, every 2 minutes I want to release one reel. Sorry, every 2 hours. Every 2 hours, 2 minutes reel. That's what my plan. Why 2 hours, sir? Because every 2 hours you are coming out of the class, na? Yes or no? Yes, sir. 2 hours class completed. After that you are going out. Then exactly at that time 10:50 I will release the reel. Then notification ting ting come. Open. Okay. While going on the road, why you waste the time by talking to your friends? Correct only, na? That time you can learn some point. I will plan such a way, focusing on your class. These 2 hours what I taught, this entire class revision. Understand? Revision one reel I will prepare and share. Tomorrow what I am teaching, I will target your class. Okay, that reel I will prepare. Is it okay? Huh? Okay. We'll see at least. My target is I have to remind you again and again what the possible ways I am finding. Okay. So please, Babu, try to spend the time. Write down this important point. Last point of this topic. Write down what you are watching. Don't want to write? Okay, leave it, your wish. Your hand is getting pain. and feeling bored. Hey, what rastadu iyanni? So generally students are getting very quickly bored, tired. Why? Lack of proper sleeping, sufficient sleeping, and lack of sufficient food. Really, I'm telling. Yesterday night, I was busy with some work. So that's why I slept late. Today I am full of dull. See, today am I scolding you? No, because no energy to scold you. Okay. Understood? Hmm. So actually, I'm working on some design plans. Yeah. I'm constructing. Okay. I'm designing something, drawing on the paper. So in this design work, yesterday I was watching some reference videos and all, taken a lot of time. Whatever I'm learning, everything I will teach you. Don't worry. Okay. In future ready people. I will make you future ready people for everything in your life. Stage 1 to stage 2, stage last. Okay. Currently, I'm making you developers. Once I feel you become developer, next plan what? Marriage plan. Next children's plan. Okay. Next house plan. Then next bike plan, car plan. All plans I will give you. Okay. And next, how to not to get divorced. That plan also important. Okay. Nowadays, divorce is become very common. And not only common, it become fashion. Hindi going on, definitely it will become Guinness Book of Record going on. If anybody living together for 5 years, they will add into Guinness Book. Pakka. Foreign culture bringing into India. 1 year, 2 years are bored. All other countries are adopting our culture. We are adopting their culture. Nice. String now 2 times came. Arre, what happened? Why it went? Ayyo. I should write again. Have written only parameters. First one is what? No parameter. Second one, int, only data types only na. Third, long. Next, float. Next, double. Next, char. Next, boolean. Next, string. Next, char array. Last one, object. String already వచ్చింది కదా, మళ్ళా string ఎందుకు రాశారు? Already written string. Why again string? I did mistake, you are following my mistake. Wow. And either you believe or not believe, it is very, 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 very important. You have to construct your house as per correct vastu. Really, I'm saying. Maybe last time, some other time I told, you must, take your own time, no problem. without finding proper vastu, some people say, Arey, if you go like that, rooms will not come, house is not looking good. Okay, you no need to have bigger rooms, no need to have look good. What do you need? Perfect vastu. What should be there where? It should be there exactly. Some people will argue, vastu is meant for only for proper ventilation. Okay, ventilation is also have the effect. Which direction should be not be closed, which direction should be more. Everything is important. If you don't follow properly, lot of effects will come. Complex into your life will come. That's why don't ignore. So when in future, when you are planning, you learn everything. Sometimes, we will get a fear. If I know this, it may get the problem. No, by knowing, correct it. Even you are living in a rented house also, check once. The 100% rented house, 100% no need to be good, but at least 60-70% it should be good. Okay, na? Shall we go next point? Finally, all the people understand a method of overloading. Now I am entering into entry questions and method of overload. Everyone ready? Okay, let's see how many people can answer this question. Question number 1. Are there any compile time errors in this method overloading cases? What are you seeing? Are you seeing the entire method first line to last line? What I told you? In a method of overloading, you should be Arjuna. In a method of overriding, you should be Bhima. What is the difference between Arjuna and Bhima? Bhima, eating party, complete first part to last part, everything you have to see. Because 4 rules you have to verify, na? Whereas Arjuna is shooting party, right? He has to see only bird eye. What is the bird eye here? Method name and parameters. That's all. Tell me. First method to second method. First method always correct. Second method right or wrong? Why wrong? Return type is changed. Because return type is changed. Will you see return type here? No. What you should see only? Signature. Only signature you have to see. Look at there. First method, second method, signature is same. Compile or not compile? First, compile. Signature is same. Compile. If signature is same, that is a overriding method, duplicate method, na? What is overloading? Different parameters. Compile or not compile? Not compile. Compile throw error, duplicate method. Method is already aware. Method M1 is already defined in class. With the same signature, means same parameter type, not allowed. At least next time you have to say correctly. Bolo. Line number 4, compiler? Compile. Line number 3 only the error. Okay? Next. Line number 5. You have to compare this method with which method? This one and first one. Previous 2 methods you have to compare. Which part you have to compare? Entire prototype or only signature? Come on, find out, right or wrong? Why? Same parameter type. String. Compiler throw error. M1 of string is already defined. Line number 3, line number 5. Doubt inte adagani chepta malli. Next, 6th line. Compiler. Why? Different parameter type. No problem. Next, line number 7. Changed to private. Decreasing accessibility modifier. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Don't see other parts. Only signature you have to see. Now, only 2 errors. 3 and 5, only 2 errors. 3 and 5. Okay, super. Next. int I1. ఎంతసేపు చూస్తారా? Already you confirmed all these methods. Then again after coming, again you are saying, oh, hello, yeah. How much time you will see a Gajinis? M1 of int parameter not available, so it's compiled. Katam. Only 3 and 5 errors. Bolo, next. Why? Hey, the I1, this is I2 now. Yeah, I1, I2. Parameter names are changed. When you are calling method, you consider parameter name or parameter type. So only parameter type only you should consider, not name. Clear? So that is error. So third error is joined. Line number 10. 3 errors. M1 of int I, int is already defined in class A. Okay, chalo. Next, 11th one. Compile. 13, 14, compile. 16, 17. So totally how many errors? Tell me what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Identify valid overloaded methods or invalid overloaded methods in the below list. Invalid overloaded methods in the below list. Okay. Then what you have to see? Only you have to see method name, parameters. Same compiled time error. Not same compiled. Same return type, different return type. Chod do. Same static change. Okay, you can leave it. Then return accessibility modifier increase, decrease, no problem. You can leave it. Exception list same change, no problem, leave it. Only focus is on middle. Method name, parameters. Clear? So that is the point number 1. Based on creation, calling and executing of overloaded method, we have 5 cases. Creation wise rules, calling wise rules, widening method, Java 5 new feature, ambiguous error with inheritance. Now rule in creating overload method. Like overriding method, in overloading a method, we don't have any rules. We no need to follow any rules in overloading method. We can choose any return type, any execution level modifier, any accessibility modifier. Void change to in, static, non-static change to static, default decrease it to private, allowed, because signature different, M1 int, M1 string, M1 float, M1 double. But the rule is parameter type list order must be different, not same or different, because we cannot create 2 methods with the same signature in the same class. Rule number 1, all you people understand? Rule number 2, when we call a method, which overloaded method is executed? Already notes rasraga cheppandi. When you call a method, which overloaded method is executed? Given complete statement, I cannot hear you. Parameter type. Parameter is a variable, right? You cannot pass variable declaration, right? Value is called what? Argument. Any solve correct cheyalra? Same mistake, how many times I should correct? Given? Not a parameter available in method creation. Arguments available in method calling. Given argument type parameter method is executed. Class example, M1 in, M1 float, M1 string. Japan main method. How to create main method to call those methods? Call this method here to execute this method. M1 example dot M1. అది ఎవడు చెప్తాడో నేను చెప్పుకోవాలా? ఓ कौन बोले थे? मैं बोला पुल example dot M1 of 5. Next method 10.5 I am passing, allowed? I am writing example dot M1 of 10.5, allowed. That is what I have prepared the reel yesterday, I uploaded. 10.5 is a double, cannot be assigned to float. Higher range to lesser range not allowed. That's what the yesterday prepared reel. What is the heading I prepared? Most confusion points of Java. Start from the 0 to higher level. Every point by point I am start teaching. But why people are doing? Class not listening, reel is not listening. M1 example dot M1 of 5. How compiler read this statement? Compiler read 5 as a 5 or 5 as a type? 5 type. Compiler read this line as example dot M1 of Malla 5 1. Compilers start reading it as a Java, English statement. Search for int parameter M1 method in example class. Compiler read it as M1 of int. Search for int parameter M1 method in example class. Available. Compile. Okay, na? Next one. Int param output came. Next, tell me, is it compiled? Why? F not there should not say. Why error? Correction చెప్పకూడదు. ఎందుకు ఎర్రర్ వచ్చిందో చెప్పాలి. Why? 5.0 is double, not float. Why error I am asking? I am not asking how to solve the error. How to solve error and you should write F. Okay. Now tell me, how compiler read this statement as? 5.0 read as what? Double. M1 of double. Compiler searching for a double parameter M1 method in example class. Not available. So throwing error. This is the compulsory question we'll ask in the written test exam. Why? 10.5, everybody realize what? A floating point number float. It is not float, it is double. Okay. This point I'm correcting from the data type chapter onwards. Next, how to compile that method? Example.m1 of 5.0 F. Now it read as what? Float parameter method executed. Understood? Write on this program. What is the output of below program? Or identify compile them errors. What is the output from below program? Comma, identify compiled errors. While writing, listen. Only in a childhood up to 5 years only you have wonderful life. No need to do anything. Eat, to sleep, or play. Okay. From 5th year onwards till 45 years. 5th year to 45 years. You have to daily work hard. Okay. After 45 year onwards, now you are before 5 years, how much enjoyment there? No, that enjoyment will come. Next, people who don't work, especially 25 to 30 years, 5 years. 25 to 30 years, 5 years, who will not work hard, lifelong you have to work hard. What is your age now? 20, no? Okay. 20 to 25. 20, still 20 to 25 if you don't work, at least to 25 to 30. 5 years period is very, very important. 20 to 25 and BTech completed onwards 5 years. How much hard work you do, how much proper planning you will do, then your entire rest of the life depends. You want a rich life, you want to live rich, retired early, want to have financial freedom, then these 5 years will decide. These 5 years, if you don't plan properly, not upskilling your knowledge, not properly earning money, not planning for proper investment, lifelong you have to work as an employee till last day you die. Such work chestune undali. ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాలు చాలా చాలా క్రూషియల్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్. కాబట్టి ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని జాగ్రత్త ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని వర్క్ చేయండి. 5 సంవత్సరాల కష్టం, మీ జీవితం, మీ పేరెంట్స్ జీవితం, మీ పిల్లల జీవితం, మీ ఫ్యూచర్ జనరేషన్ జీవితం మారిపోద్ది. ధీరుభాయ్ అంబానీ is the best example for you. He only one person work hard, generation sitting happily and eating. Right? But Anil Ambani facing problem now. Mukesh Ambani, why don't you take? Why failure? Okay, now Anil Ambani's sons now changing his life. Anil Ambani did some mistake, whatever happened, don't know. But his children now taken the authorities, now they are working very hard, and now slowly loss making companies are making as profit making companies. So that's what telling, proper plan, avagahana, awareness. నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు, నిన్నటికి ఇవాళకి నాకులో ఉన్న తేడా ఏంటి, నిన్నటి ఇవాళ నేను ఏదైనా కొత్తది నేర్చుకున్నాను, ఫ్యాకల్టీ చెప్పింది కాదు, నీకు నువ్వుగా. Did I learn anything, at least one point new by my own? అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫ్యాకల్టీ చెప్పింది చదివా అయిపోయింది, కుదరదు. అది అప్పుడు 10th అప్పుడు ఓన్లీ స్కూల్ వరకే, అప్ టు స్కూల్, కాలేజ్ లెవెల్, ఫ్యాకల్టీ టాట్, ఐ స్టడీ, కథం. బట్ నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ లైఫ్. In life, you should improve yourself. Yesterday, what I taught, what you practice, extra, at least 1 point extra, 1 line extra, at least 1 line extra. Did you learn? Yourself, explorer in the Google, explore in the ChatGPT on the points you have learned. And next, did you explore about future, like money management, time management, leadership qualities, communication skills? Are you working on it? According to your job. నీకు జాబ్ కావాల్సిన స్కిల్స్ మీద నువ్వు వర్కౌట్ చేస్తున్నావా? జస్ట్ విత్ జావా యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ జాబ్, సార్. అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్, జావా విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ ఆర్ పైథాన్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ ఓన్లీ 15% టు గెట్ ద జాబ్. ఓన్లీ 15%. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ రిటన్ టెస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్. టు పాస్ రిటన్ టెస్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్, జావా అండ్ పైథాన్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ. బట్ రిమైనింగ్ 75%, టెక్నికల్ రౌండ్, ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్, ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ అండ్ HR round, only with your brain calculation, mind calculation, only will can succeed. That what where you are to improve your knowledge there also. Only Java studying will not give you job. Java, Python will take you only up to written test exam, first round to pass. Second round onwards, communication skills, how effectively you are speaking in Java, how effectively you are speaking in Python. Second round. Third round, project manager round. How effectively you are thinking in the design, managerial qualities, managerial capabilities also you will verify. If I give a team in the future to you, see, once you give the job, company is looking you work with the company for long term. Now, by August 5th, August 1st, I'm completing 14 years of work with Naresh IT. Totally 20 years of experience. 6 years I worked outside, 14 years continuously without a break I'm working. That's what I'm saying. Once an employee joined in a company looking your association with the employee for long term, easy having that capabilities. If I in the future, if I give the team him, can he manage the team? What is your future goals? నువ్వు అసలు ఏం అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నావు? ఓన్లీ డెవలపర్గా ఉందనుకుంటున్నావా? మేనేజర్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నావా? టీమ్ లీడ్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నావా లేదా? ఆన్సెట్ వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నావా లేదా? ఈ కంపెనీ మొత్తం నీకు అసైన్ చేస్తే నువ్వు హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలవా లేదా? The project manager will not only check your programming qualities, also he will check your managerial capabilities. If I assign one team, can you lead or not? Can you distribute? Can you treat them well? All these points will check. Asla HR round, play with your brain like anything. In return, you should play with the HR. So many permutations and combinations are there in the interview. Just by learning Java, you will not get job. That's why every day, 5 to 10 minutes time you have to spare for your extra qualities, extra skills to improve required for interview. Did you prepare resume? Also, do you know in resume what are all the columns available? Do you know what are the points to include? Which keywords in the resume? Sorted out your resume from the list of millions of resumes. ఏం వర్డ్స్ ఉంచాలి? నీ రెజ్యూమ్ సార్టెడ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం వర్డ్స్ పెట్టాలి? There are keywords in the resume, you know. If you don't add those keywords in the resume, your resume will not bring it out. It will not be selected. You know, Naukri.com, I am the company. I am going to Naukri and paying the money for the candidates. Now they will run one select query by giving the company criteria as a where condition. Select star from student where student number equal to how the select query is there. Similarly, Naukri company, all job portals also contain some select query. The company given requirement, they will give in the text box and click select button. Then if these words are there in your resume will come out. అవి వాడకపోతే నీ రెజ్యూమే వెటికి రాదు. If those words are not there in resume, your resume not selected. Many students are sending message, sir, my resume not selecting, sir, what to do? What to do? I too don't know. Because I cannot work on your resume. You have to work on your resume. Actually, you cannot prepare your resume properly. If you don't know what are the words to add in resume, then you are not eligible for attending the job. Not eligible to attend the interview. సబ్జెక్ట్ నేను చెప్పి రెజ్యూమే నేను చెప్పి రేపొద్దున కోడ్ నేను రాయాలా నీకోసం? నీ రెజ్యూమే నువ్వే ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ రెజ్యూమే బై యువర్ ఓన్. డోంట్ టేక్ గైడ్లైన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీ పర్సన్. నీకేం కావాలో నీకు తెలియాలి. రెజ్యూమే ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ యూ వాంట్, హౌ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ ఇన్ ద కంపెనీ. సెకండ్, టెల్ మీ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. జావానే చెప్పట్లే, ఇంక నీ గురించి ఏం చెప్తావు? Tell me yourself అంటే generally people say, my name is Arkrishna, my father name, my mother name, my brother name, my sister name, I am from this village. నాకింతురు అయ్యన్ని. Am I giving my son or daughter to you? Is it a marriage look, sir? మీ నాన్న పేరు మీ అమ్మ పేరు నాకెందుకు? How you are become asset to the company, అది చెప్పాలి. That what you have to tell. What is your name? Correct. What is your education qualification? Correct. Then next you have to tell your skills. What certificates you have? How can you help the company to grow? How can you be asset to the company? You want to get the job. Job related words, job related sentences should be there in your resume. In your tell me yourself. I've only prepare one first. Those two will decide your second round, third round, passing or fail. First round, Java, Python. As first you want to go to company main gate, your college certificates. College certificates only can bring you up to college company main gate ante. For after that they are useless. Chattabotte. Sir, I have in my college 90%, sir. Em cheskonenu? What I can do with that 90%? No use. Second, your Java knowledge, Python knowledge can take you to only up to first round of the interview pass. After that, waste. Third round, fourth round, and HR round. These rounds will be, these rounds your success decided based on your communication skills, awareness, managerial skills. నీకు క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చేయడం రాలేదు, ఇప్పుడు ఎలాగ ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి వాడికి? అది కూడా ఒక ఆన్సరే. యూ డోంట్ నో ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ ద గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్. దెన్ హౌ టు మేనేజ్ ద ఆన్సర్ టు గివ్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్? ఐ డోంట్ నో. యూ షుడ్ సే ఐ డోంట్ నో. స్ట్రైట్ వే ఐ డోంట్ నో, ఐ డోంట్ నో. హౌ కెన్ ఐ? షుడ్ నాట్ సే. యూ షుడ్ టెల్ స్మార్ట్ ఆన్సర్. దానే తెలుగులో పాము జాగకూడదు, కర్ర ఎరగకూడదు. ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ we call it as a diplomatic answer. You should give that diplomatic answer. By seeing your answer, you should get impressed. Even though you are not giving right answer, by that answer you should get impressed. అది కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి. That also you should learn. That is called managerial skills. ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ కి ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేయాలి? When there is a complex situation, for example, heavy rain is there. Okay, there is a water floods about to come, or you need to save some people. How to act there? How to manage the situation? How to manage the critical thing? That also you have to learn. Only sitting, method of overloading, method of overloading, method of overloading. ఎందుకు రాదు? అది కాదు నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది. దట్ ఈస్ కాలేజ్. ఇక్కడే నేర్చుకోవాలి. అవేర్నెస్, అవగాహన పెంచుకోవాలి. ఈ మెథడ్ ఓవర్లోడింగ్ నా పర్పస్ ఏంటి? దీన్ని నేను జీవితంలో ఎక్కడ వాడతాను, ఎలా వాడతాను, ఎప్పుడు వాడతాను, ఈ డేటిని ఎలా చెప్పాలి? Okay, how to use this method of overloading, how to answer to this method of overloading, in my project way to use. Every topic you are learning in the class must answer in the interview linking to the project. Yeah, method of overloading we will use in the project to perform same operation with the different inputs. For example, Amazon payment option, right? If you say like this with easy words, easy flow of words, if you talk, will interview leave you? Interview run behind you, company run behind you, beg you, please join me in a company, please join me in a company. You say, no, I don't join. If you give me 5 lakhs, I will join. Oh, okay, 6 lakh, I'll give join. Company should demand, you should demand the company, right? You should not beg company, please give me job, please give me job. Okay, na? Awareness, very, very important. Okay. What you are learning, you should get full awareness. Why I learned this topic today. Don't by heart. After going to room, don't by heart. Revise. Without open the notes, revise. ఈ రోజు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాను? What did I learn today? Method of overloading. ఎందుకు నేర్చుకున్నాను? Why I learn method of overloading? Where I use this method of overloading? Java is meant for a developing project. In my project, where this method of overloading there? What are the different websites I am approaching? What are the different mobile apps I am using? In this mobile app, where is the method of overloading? అని ఫస్ట్ అవేర్నెస్ తెచ్చుకున్నాకే దానికి వెళ్ళాలి. Need of this concept after getting idea, then you should start practice in the lab. Okay, na? What is the target today onwards? Today onwards, you should think about yourself. Now, next coming 3 months, definitely I am facing one interview. Who? You are. I and I am just reflecting you, okay? So you should tell yourself, next 3 months, I am going to face interviews. Then what are the first round to last round? What are the different type of questions will ask? How should I prepare myself? Should not depend on faculty. Success is mine. Failure is also mine. Faculty just helping me. It's all I have to prepare myself. Now, yesterday to today, compare yourself. Yesterday to today, any difference in me? Did I upskill myself? At least one point extra I learned by myself, not by faculty, myself. Okay, na? Tomorrow class. Tomorrow class online. Okay. If I can take, I'll share the link. If I cannot take, also I will share the link. Understand? If I take the class, Zoom link. If I cannot take the class, YouTube link. 2 links will come, either that link or this link will come. Okay. So tomorrow class, continuation to method of overloading. One topic I will give. Understand? This topic, this slide there, na? Point number 2. Point number 3 onwards, continuation topics are there. These topics I will share. If I cannot take the class, you have to complete tomorrow and come. Understood? Thank you. Set the time tomorrow, 9 to 1. 9 to 1, 4 hours. 9 to 11, 11 to 11:15 tea time, 11:15 to 1 class. 11 to 1, 4 hours class will be there tomorrow. We will complete method of overloading everything. Monday we will start polymorphism conclusions. Okay, na? What is polymorphism? Types of polymorphism. Thank you. That's all for today class. Oi, 1 minute. Monday onwards, I am starting new batch advanced Java. Everyone should join. 11 o'clock. 11 am free?
Yes, sir.
HTML class there. What is the syllabus? JavaScript going on. How many more days? 1 month. Just started. Okay. If 11 o'clock free, join advanced Java. If not free, then continue your regular course. Oracle or HTML. 11 o'clock Oracle HTML is there. If you are busy with that course, continue that course. If you free at 11 o'clock, no classes available, then join advanced Java. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Oracle class syllabus not completed. HTML syllabus not completed. Core Java syllabus not completed. Not required. Okay, na? Already told you, na, after 45 days, you can join advanced Java. So currently I am starting advanced Java at 4 o'clock. Sorry, 11 o'clock. Now, if possible to join, join. If not possible, you are already busy with your other classes, don't join. Continue with those courses. Clear? Thank you. Don't miss the regular classes and don't overburden your brain. 11 to 1. Advanced Java 11 to 1. Class link, visit nareshit.com.